Hey everyone, Donnie here, and thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. When we return, I'm going to go straight to an on-screen link generator, so that way we could select a random winner for that new drone. So stay tuned for that. Hey, welcome back everyone. Before I end up doing the drawing for this drone here, I just wanted to give a couple little shout outs to a couple guys out there. Let me set this down here. I want to say thanks to Perth West Oz RC, David, good buddy of mine, known each other since I started my channel. Just like I know so many of you out there too. David's been contacting me every day. We've been like pretty close. He's been checking on me, and same with another new friend of mine is Economic Friend. I want to thank him. So if you're into silver stacking, go check out his channel. I'll leave a link down in the descriptions, and you can learn how to save ounces of silver and things like that. Perth West Oz, I'll leave a link down in the description as well, guys. If you need to know about RC cars, he's the guy, you know. Or you can check out my channel. When I get well enough, I'll start pumping out some more videos. I got another RC car down here that I need to go and review. Same with a bunch of Holystone drones, guys. So, you know, stick around in there because I will have other drawings. I'm going to end up, as soon as I can find in storage where my Holystone 720E with that EIS system. If you guys look at the videos that I've done with that, real beautiful flights, you know, with that thing. So I'm going to do a giveaway on that after Christmas, guys. So definitely stay subscribed and hit the notifications so you can see when that's coming up. So let me get to the screen. I'm going to do a screen recording to that random link generator, guys. I'm starting to lose my voice, so I'm going to switch over to that so we can hurry up and get that done when we can pick out a winner. So stay tuned. All right, guys, let me go ahead and I'm going to have to go and select duplicate on here, so that way I don't go and double up on the people's comments, because I noticed there was a lot of double ups on there. So let me go ahead and click that. I gotta put the link in. Why is it going to this? Hold on, guys, sorry about that. It's been a while since I've done this here. All right, let me go ahead and put the link in here, paste it. Let's see what I gotta do. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and enter it. All right, we got 150 something comments, 157 here. Let me press start here, and then we'll find out who gets selected here. Oh my gosh, what's the odds of that, you guys? Economic Friend, you're the winner, buddy. Here, I was just talking about you at the beginning of the video, and here you are selected as the winner. Wow, that's awesome, guys. My voice is going out. Or I'd read his comment. I've read it before, and it's a real nice comment. I really appreciate it. So, Economic Friend, you're the winner. I'll get out to you. I know your information, so I'll get a hold of you. Thanks so much, everybody. My throat, I had some biopsies done. I thank you, everybody, for the prayers. Just waiting to see if this is cancerous or if it's just a pre-cancer right now. So hopefully the results will be good, you guys, and I can get my voice back and get out here and start reviewing drones and RC cars again. So thanks so much for the prayers and support again, guys. God bless you all. And don't forget, stay subscribed and keep the notifications bell going, so that way you can see the next drawing for that Holystone 720E, guys. All right, have a good holiday. Hopefully see you before then. God bless.